Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around a front and rear dash cam installation with full parking mode facility on a BMW M3. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer's coming to us looking for a solution that's not only neat and tidy, but also gives loads more functionality to protect the vehicle while on the road, but also while the vehicle is parked. Customer already had an existing dash cam installed. However, we've removed all of that during the procedure of adding in our new install, which is of the Thinkware U1000 2-channel system, which means front and rear, plus what's called a iVolt battery. In terms of the solution, we've got 4K image quality front dash camera live directly at the front of this car. That's really neatly installed. All the cables are really nicely hidden away behind factory trim panels. They go up the A-pillar, and then it's a physical cable run all the way to the back here. Basically, what's the reason why it's a physical cable run is not only due to the quality of the actual product that we're using here, but also that's basically a video image that goes in directly into kind of the brain of the system at the front of the vehicle. The rear camera is very, very small and the front camera is slightly bigger. However, the way we've installed it on this occasion from driver's view, really discreet. The other thing this customer was after is protecting the vehicle while actually parked up. So obviously there's a lot of dash cams out there on the market, and even the U1000 as a front and rear claims to do parking mode facility by itself. However, there is a physical draw on the vehicle's battery at that point. Obviously it needs power. So the way we've done this system is using what's called an iVolt battery system. As you drive along for about half an hour's worth of driving, you get about 16 hours of recording on this battery. Battery is actually hidden away on this occasion, which most of the time they actually get hidden away under the floor on this BMW M3. What we've also managed to do, so what that in essence technically does, as you're driving along, it charges up that battery, and then as you turn off the car and leave the car and walk away to go into a supermarket or to at home, whatever it might be, you want to protect that car and your asset while being parked. And that's exactly what it does, protects your vehicle. So not only are you protected while on the road, but also you've got actual protection while parked. The other cool thing, this app, the dash cam actually comes with its own application. So it's called Thinkware Cloud, and you can actually log in directly on there. We've done a full separate video showing you exactly how the app works if you want to check that out as well. But overall, a really easy to use app. It's actually the same system that I've currently got in my car as well. So we try every single product that we install. We're literally just in the process of installing a different system onto another one of our cars to actually test these products before we recommend anything to you guys. So these are tried and tested solutions for you. So overall, a really nice example of an M3 installed with a really professional install of the Thinkware U1000 2-channel with the iVolt battery. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you do want to see anything more in our videos, please let us know in the comments below, but please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.